Enter. Sir, you were correct. The Zahl homeworld was the focal point. Its erasure has produced a complete temporal restoration. Complete? Yes, sir. If I told you to count the stars in the cosmos, would the task ever be complete? Sir? Our attempts may be sufficient. They may even be relatively successful, but they will never be complete. Choose your words with more precision. My apologies. What were the exact results? The Krenim Imperium has been restored to power. Our territory now includes 849 inhabited worlds spanning 5,000 parsecs. Counterindications? Negligible. No superior enemy forces, no unexpected diseases. Calculations indicate a 98% restoration. Our race is thriving again. The colony in Kenya Prime, was that restored as well? No, sir. In this timeline, the Imperium does not extend that far. Then our mission has failed. Begin calculations for the next incursion. Sir, we have just accomplished the impossible, a 98% restoration. Another incursion, even a minor one, could undermine everything. We should dismantle this weapon and rejoin our people. No, not until every colony, every individual, every blade of grass is restored. You said yourself, our task will never be complete. Please, we should be satisfied with what we have accomplished. For 200 years, we have never come this close. Not close enough. If I may speak my thoughts, many among the crew are convinced that you have lost your objectivity. They think your quest for precision is unrealistic. Sir, we will never restore 100% of what we had. We can manipulate the time continuum for another 10 centuries. It will never happen. Return to your station and begin a new set of calculations. Is that clear? Perfectly. You surprise me, OBRIST. After so many years, you still perceive time through conventional eyes. Never is a word that has no meaning here. As long as we stay in this vessel, protected from space-time, we have all eternity to accomplish our mission. Of course, sir.